This week, Microsoft announced major changes affecting Edge security, Power Pages, Copilot, Teams, Dataverse, and Entra. One update could break Power Pages functionality after September 14th if administrators take no action. Another retires Microsoft Edge security protections that some organizations still use. MWPro analyzed 73 Microsoft 365 announcements and identified 22 high-impact changes. Here are the 10 Microsoft 365 updates administrators need to know. At number 10, MC1454108 scores 58. The Microsoft 365 Copilot app becomes the Microsoft Copilot app with a refreshed icon and the new copilot.cloud.microsoft URL. Admins and users are affected. Rollout continues through September. Admin effort is moderate. At number 9, MC1459143 scores 58. Teams Communicator enables targeted announcements, acknowledgements, and delivery tracking. Admins must review Teams app policies. Users receive communications in Teams. Preview runs into January 2027. Admin effort is moderate. Number 8. MC1303719 scores 59. Microsoft Entra now blocks federated sign-ins where Federation domains do not match user UPNs. Most users are unaffected, but impacted sign-ins will fail. Rollout began in mid-August. Admin effort ranges from low to high depending on Federation requirements. At number 7, MC1458474 scores 59. Microsoft Entra is retiring custom CSS branding properties in late October. Admins should review customized sign-in experiences. Users may notice visual differences. Admin effort is moderate to high. Number 6, MC1459140 scores 61. Microsoft 365 Copilot adds self-service connectors for Jira Cloud and Confluence Cloud. Users connect approved content with existing permissions while admins control availability. Rollout runs from mid-September into mid-October. Admin effort is moderate. At number 5, MC1454234 scores 62. Continuous access evaluation is now enabled by default for Dataverse sign-ins. Administrators should review conditional access policies. Users may lose access if policies are overly restrictive. Rollout continues into mid-September. Admin effort is moderate. Number 4, MC1459131 scores 63. Teams Admin Center will identify custom applications requiring updates for private and shared channels. Administrators should validate affected applications during September. Users may otherwise lose access. Admin effort is high. At number 3, MC1459129 scores 64. Microsoft Viva Learning retires 161 training modules and selected articles on 21st September. Learning administrators should review assignments and learning paths. Users may lose access to bookmarked or unfinished content. Admin effort is moderate. Number 2, MC1457694 scores 68. Power Pages remove support for wildcard values in Web API field settings. Administrators must replace wildcards before 14th September. Failure to act may result in broken functionality or HTTP 403 errors. Admin effort is critical. And at number 1, MC1459132 scores 69. Microsoft Edge retires support for Windows Information Protection and Defender Application Guard in late September. Organizations using these technologies should plan migration now. Users on affected devices may lose those protections. Admin effort is high. Those are this week's 10 highest impact Microsoft 365 changes. Visit mwpro.co.uk for the complete analysis and recommended actions.